now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
If you've ever played the video game Speedrunner, this forecast is going to look a lot like that as there's just a lot of information and not enough time. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. Very pleasant conditions today. We are seeing some breezy conditions, and some of those conditions will last overnight in the Shasta Valley over on the east side and along the coast. Those winds could gust anywhere between 30 to 35 miles per hour. It's going to be another cold night, but above us, it's going to be calm. No clouds. That'll definitely change as we head into tomorrow. Rain and snow will start to push inland. Primarily, it'll be to the north of the Siskiyous and to the west of the Cascades. So Medford, Grants Pass, and Brookings all having the best chances of seeing not only rain, but a little bit of snow, especially in the west sides. And then, of course, the Cascades will see plenty of snow a little bit later on. But let's time it all out with Stormcast. So this is 5 in the morning, and that's when we're going to start to see all the rain starting to encroach on the coast. And then this model's having a really tough time bringing any of that down into some of the southern reaches of the Rogue Valley. So it'll be interesting to see how that pans out throughout the course of the day on Sunday. But you can see with Stormcast, again, most of the rain and the snow is happening to the west of the Cascades and to the north of the Siskiyous. But things become a lot more messy as we head into the overnight hours of Sunday into Monday. Look at this. The Cascades, the east side, Siskiyou County, just going to get absolutely walloped with snow. And that is going to be a very treacherous morning commute to start off your new week. And then some lingering snow showers can be expected throughout the rest of the day on Monday. Let's take a look at some of those projected rainfall totals over the next 48 hours. And don't get too caught up in the specific totals. In fact, they just left the screen, so you can't get caught up in those specific totals. But we're going to see the most rainfall there along the coast and in the Cascades, with some beneficial rainfall on the east side down in Siskiyou County and in the west side valleys. Snow levels are going to be anywhere between 1,500 feet to 4,500 feet throughout the course of the day on Sunday, and they will slowly drop as we head into Monday. Here's some of those projected snowfall totals that we could see in some of our passes. And Diamond Lake Junction just over the next 48 hours could receive between 12 to 18 inches of snow, and that's not even factoring in what will happen after that 48-hour time span. So we're going to see a lot of snow, a lot of winter weather impacts, and I'll just step off the screen and we'll just go through these advisories real quick. Winter weather advisories for the west side, for Siskiyou County, Curry, Josephine, and Jackson counties above 2,500 feet. Again, that's Sunday evening through late on Monday night, and then the same time frame for the Cascades and Siskiyous, where we could have several feet of snowfall. And then over on the east side, we could see new snow accumulations anywhere between 3 to 6 inches. We also have these high wind warnings in place for Klamath and Lake counties, and then for coastal Curry County, winds could gust anywhere between 65 to 75 miles per hour. So if you have any loose outdoor objects, be sure to tie those down or to bring them inside. And then for some of the lower elevations, we could also see winds gusting anywhere between 40 to 65 miles per hour, and that does include Josephine County and eastern Curry County. So as we move forward throughout the rest of the week, you can expect even more chances of rain and snow. We are getting into a very wet pattern over the next 7 days, and here's Exhibit A of that. Along the coast over the next 7 days, several chances of rain. It looks like all this is going to peak in intensity on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So several peaks throughout this entire ordeal that we're about to go through. For the Shasta Valley, we're expecting several chances of not only rain, but snow, as those snow levels are going to be very, very low. Again, we have winter weather advisories not only for Siskiyou County, but also for the east side. What we're really concerned about on the east side, though, are those winds gusting potentially up to 75 miles per hour. And then up in the mountains, we could have several feet of snow falling up there. So if you plan on traversing the Cascades, well, the first bit of information I would give you is to maybe don't travel in the Cascades. But if you do, definitely have the snow chains on hand. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll have several chances of not only rain, but also snow throughout the next 7 days.